Hi folks, happy holidays. This is Matthew with Riverponics. This is going to be our giveaway. This is a single plant growing system. It's called our Riverponics Growing Flats. We offer a single plant, a dual plant, and a 3-plant system. Of course, you can expand on that as well. This comes equipped with your aeration pump, 2 air stones, an inline pump, which is your push and pull that circulates fluid through your grow channel, your plumbing and hardware, and which is all quick connect fittings, and then you get your reservoir. All comes with it. What else we're going to throw in here is this can be a dual growing system. You can either do a single plant or you can propagate. There's 13 net cups there. You would just place that with, remove your bucket and stuff, and there you go. Alright, this is the propagation system. 13 plant. This will also come, like I said, with the giveaway. Here's the specifics for the giveaway. I'm looking for YouTube creators that can showcase this and do proof of concept kind of thing. But I'm also willing to go with people that are willing to do videos for me and then send them to me, and I can upload and edit those as well. So we can do it 2 different ways. I just ask that you be honest with me and upfront, and don't get something then take it for granted and not follow through with your commitment. But other than that, you're going to have to be subscribed and hit the like button as well. I'm going to do, the giveaway is going to be numbers 1 through 1,000. So pick your number, 1 through 1,000. And I will get back here in a couple days. Thank you for watching.